combing out the wig. You guys look at that comb already. You see how much hair is in the comb, like Lolly. I don't know what you guys were thinking when you gave me this wig, but
body in glitter, platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich.
hey bestie, welcome to my channel. You see what we doing here? We are dyeing the wig baby blue. This is going to be a Lolly hair review, so let's check out the hair. Look at this. I actually had a yellow before, and I'm currently trying to, well, I already dyed it blue. But since I had the hair yellow, I have to change it. I have to strip it back to its base color. The yellow was not going to mix well with the blue. It would have turned like a green. I tried to put purple over it, and girl, it started turning black and brown. It was not it. So yeah, this is what I'm doing now, trying to strip that purple, brown, yellow out of this hair. For this, I'm just using beauty supply store dye. You can pick whichever one you want, to be honest. I like the stronger ones like your L'Oreal, but I tried Kiss this time. It was actually pretty good. You want to follow the measurements. I like to just do what it do. I like a kind of watery consistency. When it's too thick, I feel like you don't get that much out of the dye. Unless you're doing your lace, you don't really want the dye that thick. I mean, the bleach that thick. Okay, so now I'm just trying to comb out the knots in the wig. This wig is, Lord fix it. Help me, Jesus. Anyways, you see what I'm doing now. I'm putting the bleach on, trying to strip this color out. You want to work fast, especially this is already 613 hair, so you don't want to leave the bleach on for that long or the hair will disintegrate. Trust me, I destroyed a wig like that. Ooh, that's another story for another YouTube. Full disclosure, you should not dye your hair like this unless you know what you're doing. You see how I'm trying to get every strand of the hair. If you dye your hair like this and you don't know what you're doing, you're probably gonna have spots. But yeah, you see it's fully covered. It's turning like the yellow is stripping, but it's turning like this greenish color, which is fine for me because I'm going blue, so it'll just turn like a turquoise kind of color, which is I figured would happen. This is what I figured it would do. So yeah, that's why I bought blue, because I knew blue would easily cover the greenish yellow color that was gonna happen when I bleached the hair. And then next we are going to get the purple shampoo. I love this purple shampoo. It's by Mark Anthony. Now you don't want to put this directly on the hair because it will color the hair purple. That's how good this purple shampoo is. I love this purple shampoo. I've actually had this purple shampoo for 2 years. You see how it got it back to almost a 613 color. Yeah, that purple shampoo is the truth. Okay, and now we got our baby blue on, and you see the baby blue don't really look baby blue. So when you buy these colors, you have to think how it's gonna show up on your wig. But it looks nice. Look at the color, except for those flyaways. You see that? Lolly, fix it, baby, fix it, girl. Cause look at this. But I love this color. I just don't like the way the wig looks. Yeah. Okay, now I'm combing out the wig. You guys look at that comb already. You see how much hair is in the comb, like Lolly. I don't know what you guys were thinking when you gave me this wig, but it's a no for me because no wig should shed that much, and it was shedding like that since I bought it. This is only the second time I've installed this wig because it sheds so much, but it's so beautiful. I want to love it so bad, but the shedding and the flyaways is a big no when it comes to wigs. Like, no. Like, look at all this hair. This is from one combing session. Imagine every time you try to comb your wig and it's how much hair you come out. Like, your wig is gonna be bald. Ooh, but anyways, let's get into this install. I'm using some basic beauty supply store foundation. I don't even think it's full coverage, but you want to make sure that matches your color. You can test it in the store. This is just another beauty supply store brush as well. I'm putting it on under the lace, as you can see what I'm doing. I like to do this off the wig head thingy because you don't want the lace, you don't want it to the lace, wow, you don't want the foundation to go through the hair, and it's hard to get. Somebody was calling me. It's hard to get the foundation out of lace. You're gonna have to wash the hair. You don't want to do all of that after you just style the wig. So next we're gonna put this EBIN lace something, whatever it's called. I'm gonna put it in the comments around your perimeter just to slick back your edges. I'll be using stuff I don't even know what it's called, girl. I just be buying stuff hoping it works. Anyways, yeah, so you see me yeah, the eyebrows on fleek, but anyways, you see me putting this stuff on my baby hair, so it's slicked back because I don't really like to wear a wig cap in the summertime, and I don't want my edges to get messed up by the glue. So yeah, now we're gonna clean the perimeter with the alcohol. Feel me? Gotta make sure your forehead clean for that lace glue. Yeah, we're getting in there nice and clean, nice and clean. Now we sizing the wig, making sure that middle part is in the middle because you don't want to put down your lace in it. You realize you messed up. I'm having difficulties with my recording, so sorry for the breaks. Next we got this bold hold for oily skin. I love this because I be sweating. I go to the gym and I don't need my lace lifting, so we gonna use these dollar store popsicles and we gonna put the glue on. Like I told you, I don't want to wear a cap in the summertime. My head be sweating. I need to breathe. I'll be feeling claustrophobic with the wig cap and the wig on. It's too much for me. Now you want to make sure that dries clear. You see it, it's a little tacky. I put on another layer. I actually did 4 layers because like I said, I go to the gym and I sweat a lot, so I want to make sure my wig is tied down. You don't want no lace showing when you outside. You think you cute and you bad, and then you find out your lace was showing. No. Okay. This is like the 4th layer now, I think. We almost there. We getting there. It's coming together. You just gotta bear with me. Bear with me. It's coming. Okay, you see me put on the wig now. I can't do this on camera, girls. I'm sorry, because I'm not an expert, so I need the mirror. And I think you should use the mirror too, because, yeah, you see, look, I messed up. You see? Now I gotta fix it. Yeah, I fixed it, and now look at this. More shedding. Lolly. Come on, girl. But the lace is good, though. The only thing I hate about this wig is that shedding and the flyaways. Like, this is such a good wig, but shedding and flyaways are critical when you're buying a wig. And I feel like if you're doing a hair review, or if you're writing a review on a website, you should not write your review until you've actually installed the wig and see how it sheds, see what it looks like after it washed, because this wig looked beautiful when it came in the package, but then it was horrible. All right, anyway, so now we're using the spritz. I'm gonna put all this in the comment section. I forget the names of these stuff, but we're gonna melt the lace down and put the wig cap back on while I flat iron my hair. Now you want to use those two just so that your lace is not showing. You know when you get those little white marks at the top of at the beginning of your lace? Yeah, we don't want that. So you put those 2 on. Spoke break. You put those 2 on so that it looks flawless. It's melted to your skin. I'm putting this on the hair because I realized that it helps with the flyaways a little bit and it makes the hair shiny, but you don't want to spray too much on the hair because the hair gets hard. I actually comb it through before I straighten the hair. Look at that, it looks shiny. It's doing something for the flyaways. Look at it, look at it. Okay. Now when you're straightening your wig, you want to go in little sections or on a higher heat because you really want it to be straight. You see how straight that's getting, and you can tell the flyaways are going away. You've seen the flyaways in the beginning of this video. So yes, it works, ladies.
On, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer.
This wig is so thick, like I can't believe it sheds so much and it's still so thick. It is so beautiful, but the shedding, Lolly, the shedding, we cannot deal with that, Lolly. Like, I don't know, sometimes I feel like these companies be giving their best wigs to the influencers or people they know have a lot of following because that's how they get their customer bases. But then you order a wig and it's not as good as the quality as you've seen in the hair reviews we watched on YouTube. So this is a real review. Now I'm applying my foundation to the part. I like to use this thing, whatever it's called. I don't know what that thing is called either. But I don't use the actual makeup that's in it because I bought the wrong color. It's too light for me. I don't like that light part. I feel like my scalp matches my skin color, so I like to get my part to look like my skin color. And then now we're using the wax just to get more of those flyaways down. We're about to pass it down with the hot comb. Yeah, girl. I like to do this too, put it in your hand and then rub it through the hair. Like if you have extra flyaways on the ends or you just want your hair to look a little extra silky, but you don't want to put too much, just a little roll. You saw what I did. And now we're cleaning up the edges on the side just to make sure that there's really no lace showing. I can't do this on camera because I'm not an expert, girl. Sorry about that, but look at it. Okay, it's giving scalp. Don't mind that little piece right there. That's Lolly fault because this wig got alopecia. keep shutting. But yes, girl, this is the final look. You see what I did there? Hey now. But yeah, Lolly, you got some explaining to do, girl. Because this was not it. But I made it do what it do. I actually did this for a partnership that I'm working on, a lingerie set that I'm going to be modeling. The YouTube video will be coming out probably right after this one, or maybe in a couple of days if I feel like doing a voiceover. We'll see. So if you like this video, like, share, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you for tuning in and have a good Sunday, girls. Bestie. Bye.
Skirt on, dip my body in glitter. Platform sneakers, all the boys want a picture. Two foreign cars, I make rich look richer. Save your breath, baby, I'm not. Any skirt on, dip my body in glitter.